Today let's find out different words related to nature. Let's learn ABC with nature alphabets. Part 1. A for apple blossoms. Apple blossoms. B for bee. Bee. C for caterpillar. Caterpillar. D for daffodils. Daffodils. E for ecosystem. Ecosystem. F for flower. Flower. G for garden. Garden. H for hyacinth. Hyacinth. I for insects. Insects. J for jungle. Jungle. K for kittens. Kittens. L for ladybug. Ladybug. M for moose. Moose. N for nest. Nest. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words related to nature. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.